A second, hold on. This is a hair braiding salon in Texas. This sister is now happy. You want to know the reason why? A few months ago, she was struggling to get a customer. She told me that, hey, before I used to get the customer, but now I've tried everything, but they're not coming. I thought it was dry season, those time of the year where you don't see much customers. And I also think that this hair braiding business is not working anymore. But somebody gave me your number, and then I wanted to see what I can do, what you can do for me to kind of like make my business grow again, because customers are not coming. Now I'm gonna show you something that I did for her here that make her business looking good, and now she's happy. If you can see right here, you can see that this month alone she got what, 5,622 views just this month. Now that means 5,622 people view her page. Those people are potential clients, a potential customer that want to get their hair done. Now imagine if you have this kind of people a month trying to get view your page on the Google. Chances are you're gonna get at least 300 people coming to you or calling you, right? And we are not at the end of the month yet while I'm recording this video, but these are the people that are coming to her page. Amazing, right? Now I'm gonna show you exactly what I did for her so she's getting this customer. If you are watching this video right now, chances are you have a hair braiding salon or someone close to you has that. So if you have that, if you have a hair braiding salon, stick with me and you're gonna see amazing things what I did for her, that she's getting a lot of customers, she's getting more money now. If you don't have, you can share this video with someone that you know that will be happy that you do that. Now I'm gonna take you to the page. This is her Google business profile management. Now things are, she doesn't have a time, she doesn't really know how to manage all these things, so we take care of, me and my team, we take care of this page, and we make sure that the page is on the front whenever people are looking in her area to see the hair braiding salon near them. This is what they'll see. Now you can see right here that where people business like their business, but like her business getting 6,000, she's getting what, 31,000 people. Okay, like her pictures are viewed like 31,000 times, like every month. Now you can see here is just 1 month here, so means that she's really ahead of people. So you can see here your photo received 371% more view than similar business. Now that is what we're doing. We make sure that your page is in the front of other people's. Like if you have a other hair braiding salon around you, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, if you're working with us, if you let us help you with that. Another things we do is we go to her reviews and see what people are putting over there. Now as you can see here, this client gave her 5 star. You can see right away we reply to her. She's not doing it, we're doing that for her. My team will make sure that whenever you have a review, either bad or good review, we're going to reply to that. So what that will help you is that when people come to your Google page and they see the reviews, either it's bad or good. If it is bad, whatever the person is saying, and we put the good reviews over there, reply over there, people will take they will judge it by those two messages, right? So they don't just take from the customer, they also take the size of your size of the story. So that is very important. Like you don't have a time to be doing this thing, and you can, so we take care of that. We make sure that things like that are taken care of, so you don't have to worry about that. Also we make sure that we track her calls. She's getting her calls and all the time. We make sure we track it. So you can see that within this period of time, May 2022 to August 2022, she got what, 1,062 calls. Okay, that is amazing, right? You can see that always going up. Like I told you, we are not at the end of the month yet. She got 150, but see, like I told you before, people will say, oh, it's a dry season, but look at here, she's always over 100 calls, from when March, we got April, May, June, July, and August. Always over 100 calls. Also, what we do, we make sure that she's getting the call, the messages and then the bookings. You can see she also get it right now here, but I think I'll show you where right here where you get the booking from. So the booking are getting from the messages. So right here you can see that. So when I went to that other page, you cannot see it, but here you can see that she's getting a booking all the times. Okay, now when you get the booking like this, you don't have to worry. We just reply, we contact you to make sure that you have your time, you are available to kind of receive the customer, and then we reply to the customer very quickly. We also make sure that her pictures on the page are very clean. Look at this. If you see this, you're gonna love to come to, or you're gonna love to call. So you can see 5 a week, she got what, 8,099 people that view that. Okay, so we create stuff that will help her to get to be at the top of the other businesses. So this is amazing, right? I know you be struggling right now to get the clients. Like I showed you right now, you can see that every month she's keep getting the calls, over 100 calls from here. And when if you have these calls and you also have a call from people that already know you, your business will keep growing, right? So I have a number down below here. You can call that number, or you can you see number on the top on below on this video. You can call that number, and I will see if you are qualified to join our program. Now we have a program for people that just want us to take care of your page. We have a team that will be doing whatever I showed you right here. So it's just like you will just invest $2 a day in your business, and you'll see how to grow for you. So without wasting your time, get to the call and call me right now, so we'll help you to grow your business again. See you then.